Good day, friends. It's Rick here from Ivory Memories. Hope you're having a great afternoon. So today I'm going to play a song that I played yesterday called Fragile from Sting. Beautiful song from 1987. And the difference is yesterday I played it fully as a piano solo. That's not the way it was actually recorded, of course. I did it that way purposely, something different. Today I'm going to do it with different sounds that are more authentic to the actual recording in 1987. So it's essentially the same song, same setup, but it's going to give a different twist, different way of hearing it with the different sounds I'm putting in. If you have never heard this song before from Sting, I suggest you do. It's a beautiful song. It really is. It's just very different than a lot of things you would think that he would have done. Showed a very great talent and depth that the man had. So this is Fragile, version 2 we can call it. I do hope you enjoy it. That's version 2, Sting Fragile. Again, sounds that are a little bit more authentic to the actual recording. Hope you enjoyed it and have a great rest of the weekend. God bless.